Welcome back, my friends, to another non-phone work from home job lead. I know this is what everyone is after, but first, real quick, if you are new here, my name is Lindsay. I'm always searching the internet looking for the best work from home jobs available at the moment, and I post daily videos bringing those job leads to you. I always welcome people to leave in the comments anything specific they are looking for, along with any education or experience that they have. I always read the comments and try to keep that in mind while I am on my job search. That way I bring leads to my viewers that are actually helpful to someone. So with that being said, let's just dive on into today's job lead. It is from No Red Ink. They are more like a tutoring type service. They provide services to help teach students better writing skills and better critical thinking skills. They are hiring a customer success specialist. Now, when most people think customer service, they are thinking on the phone, but with this being like a tutoring website, that is not the case. This is through email, so it is non-phone based. This is a remote position for United States only, and they are looking for someone to provide ongoing support to their premium admin users through their email-based ticketing system, which they use Zendesk for. They're looking for someone to contribute to one-to-many proactive onboarding and use message to small accounts. They want to hit customer satisfaction ratings. So they want you to be able to do that in first response time and have customer activation goals. You need to become an expert on their product and provide a positive customer experience through every interaction that you have. Now, because they teach students writing, they are specifically looking for someone who has 2 or more years in the English language arts teaching experience. You need to have a track record for building relationships with teachers or school administrators, strong written and oral communication skills. You need to be organized and creative and have a strong interest in education with the ability to deeply empathize with teachers and school administrators. You get bonus points if you already have experience working with Zendesk email platform and you have experience working in education. That also gets you bonus points. No college degree is needed for this if you have the experience. They do say they offer a competitive salary. It says they offer health, vision, and dental benefits, 401k, PTO, all the things. Now, they didn't list the salary specific for this job, but I did a little bit of investigating on their GlassDoor page. By the way, they have a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from their past and current employees, so it does look like a legit and good place to work. Now, as far as salary estimate goes, I was not able to find the exact title of customer success specialist, but I did find other roles relating to customer support for them, and it does look like their pay for customer support is around $58,000 a year, but of course that is just an estimate, and if you get an interview, you would have to ask them the specific salary at that time. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.